right, in this case, we are going to determine if the equation has one solution, no solution, or infinite solutions. So yeah, let's take a look at number 3. So it looks like we have to distribute the negative 2 to everything inside the parentheses. So let's do negative 2 times x and negative 2 times 5. All right, and then we have a negative 6x over here, and then we have plus 4. We got to distribute that 4 to everything inside. So 4 times x, and then 4 times negative 2. There we go. On the right side, we have 2 terms with an x, so we must combine those two before we continue. So we have a negative 6x plus 4x, that gives me a negative 2x. All right. And then, okay, so we have a negative 2x and we have a negative 2x. We need to combine those. So I'm going to add 2x to bring it to the other side. Oh, those cancel. Okay, so we got negative 10 equals, oh, those also cancel. Negative 10 equals negative 8. That's weird, right? So we have a negative 10 equals negative 8. Is that true? No, this is like saying an apple is equal to an orange. These are two different numbers. How dare this equation say that they're equal? Because this is false, we must say there is no solution. So when your equation tries to lie to you, like this is a lie. If your equation tries to lie to you, then there's no solution. That's what no solution looks like. When your equation says something like 1 equals 2, 5 equals 10, apples equals oranges, heart equals star. When it lies to you, there's no solution, okay? So then let's take a look at number 4. Is there going to be a solution here? Let's find out. So distribute, so 2 times x is 2x. 2 times negative 4 is negative 8. Distribute this as well, so 3 times x and 3 times negative 2. And then that minus 2 just kind of falls in the end. Okay, so we got 2x minus 8 is equal to 3x minus 6 and minus 2. So that would be minus 8. And then we have to add, or we can subtract 2x on both sides. Cancel out. That will give us negative 8 is equal to x minus 8. And then we can add 8 because we want x by itself. Then we get 0 is equal to x. So if we end up seeing x equals something, then this is our solution. This is one solution. Oh, I guess I should have boxed the words for one solution instead of the actual solution, because our question was saying how many solutions are there. So the answer is one solution. Here, I'll just erase the whole thing. There we go. So our answer is that this one has one solution. When you come up with just a number equals x, that is one solution. On number 3, when you have your equation tell you a flat out lie, like 1 equals 2, 5 equals 10, apples is orange, negative 10 equals negative 8, if it lies to you, that is no solution. Okay? And I'm realizing now we don't have an example set up for infinite solutions, so I'm going to come up with one right now. So write this example down anywhere you have space. If you have, let's say, 3x minus 9 is equal to 3x minus 3. Okay, here's your example. 3x minus 9 is equal to 3x minus 3. So I want you to distribute the 3 outside of the parentheses into everything inside. So we get 3x minus 9 is equal to 3 times x is 3x. 3 times negative 3 is negative 9. And then let's bring the x's together. So I'm going to subtract 3x. That gives us 0 minus 9 is equal to negative 9. Okay, let's simplify. What is 0 minus 9? That's just negative 9. So if your equation tells you something like negative 9 equals negative 9, you're like, well, yeah, duh, you didn't need to tell me that. I knew that from the beginning. 1 is equal to 1, 2 is equal to 2, 3 is equal to 3, x is equal to x, 9 is equal to 9, negative 5 is equal to negative 5. It's like, of course, I get it. Then this is infinitely many solutions. Okay, so if your equation tells you something so obvious, like negative 9 equals negative 9, it's like, duh, okay, that's infinite solutions. Then if you have something like number is equal to x, that's just one solution. Or if you have a flat out lie, that will be no solution. All right, so this is how you can tell if your equations have one, none, or infinitely many solutions. So for the rest of the worksheet, you just got to do the skills practice. The numbers you have to do are written over here. Call me over if you have